Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a 2D Ghibli character in ChatGPT and also how to create a 3D cartoon character in ChatGPT as well. So first of all, I'm going to start by showing you how to generate a good prompt. So for the 2D Ghibli character, if you want to generate a good prompt, you can easily just type generate a Studio Ghibli character. You can see this one here. You can easily just type generate a Studio Ghibli character for this picture. But then if you want the prompts to be improved, you can improve it using ChatGPT. So first of all, this is what I gave ChatGPT. I said generate a 2D Ghibli style for this picture. Then I gave it this prompt. I said, this is the prompt I want to use to generate a Ghibli character with my picture here on ChatGPT. Is it okay? And can it be improved? So it then went on to give me this option. Yeah, so I'm not going to really be reading this, but it just said that your prompt is good, is a good start, but it could be improved for clarity and better results. Then it showed me why what is wrong with my you say what you can improve, and then improved version. So for me the improved version is a bit exaggerated. This is it. So it's actually including certain things that I don't want. So I then asked it to simplify. I want it to be simple. So then it gave me this simple one. So I'm going to be using this simple prompt here. Turn this picture into a Studio Ghibli character while keeping the face recognizable. Use soft colors, big expressive eyes, and a calm, dreamy look. So with this prompt, I believe I'm going to get a very good output. So I'm going to move next to generating my picture. So for this particular video, I'm going to be using this picture of the popular footballer Cristiano Ronaldo. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to see this option here. So if you're using your phone, you can also do the same thing. All you just need to do is to add the picture. Yeah, add photos, and then I'll add this here. Then what I'll do is I'll paste in the prompts that I just copied. I'll paste in the prompt, turn this picture into a Studio Ghibli character while keeping the face recognizable, using soft colors, big expressive eyes, and a calm, dreamy look. So then I'll send it over, and then I'll have to wait for ChatGPT to generate this a Ghibli character for this particular video. As you can see, our image is processing. So all we just have to do is to wait for it to process, and then we'll see what we have. So just in case you're watching to this point, ensure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, because I'll be dropping more contents on graphic design, AI, and tech. So guys, our character is done generating. So this is what we have. So as you can see, this is really cool. Yeah, this is actually cool. So we can just select the picture, and then you see this point up here. You see save. So you can save this, and then it automatically download to your PC. So next up, I'm going to show you guys how to generate a 3D cartoon character here in ChatGPT. So just like this one, I'm still going to show you guys how to generate a good prompt. So I've also prompted ChatGPT to give me a good prompt, just like the first one. So this is the prompt I gave it. Generate a 3D male cartoon character of Cristiano Ronaldo putting on a football jersey, facing the camera and holding a ball. He should be standing in front of a football stadium. This is the prompt I want to use to generate a 3D character here on ChatGPT. Is this okay, and can it be improved? So then ChatGPT went ahead to say your original prompt is quite clear and would likely work well for a basic generation. However, to get a more refined and visual accurate 3D character, you can improve the structure and specificity. So this is basically telling me that, okay, if I want to improve the output, I can improve the prompts. So if you want to generate like a character that has a 3D character that has certain elements, you can also add that to your prompts and also send it to ChatGPT to make it better. So this is what ChatGPT came up with. So it says generate a 3D cartoon style male character resembling Cristiano Ronaldo wearing a detailed football jersey with matching shorts and cleats. He should be facing the camera with confidence, with a confident smile. Yeah, so I don't really want to start reading all this thing right now. So I also went ahead to say, okay, I want it to be a close view shot because from the above prompts, it said it should be wearing a jersey and matching shot. So he was going to generate a character of him with a shot, but I don't want it to have a shot. I just want it to be a view from his waist up. So I went ahead to say I want it to be a close view shot from his waist up. So you can prompt ChatGPT to like give you the detailed kind of prompts that you want. So you don't end up generating something that you don't really want. So at the end of the day, he came up with this, and I will try this now and see what we'll get. So I'll head back to here. I create a new chat, and then I would same thing, add my image from my gallery and from my PC, and then I'll paste in the prompts that I just copied from the previous prompts, the prompt that that ChatGPT gave me. So then I'll send this over and see what we'll get. So we'll have to hold on for it to process. Let's wait and see. So in case your it's taking too much time to generate, so at the point if you wait for quite a while and it doesn't generate, you can actually refresh this particular page, and then you might see that it has already generated. So sometimes it might have an error and then it will continue showing processing without giving you the result. But if you refresh it, you might see that okay, the picture is already there. So just in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, ensure you subscribe because I'll be sharing more content on design, AI, and tech. So let's hold on for this particular image to generate, and then we'll see what it looks like. As you can see, our character has generated. So as you can see, this is very, very cool. You can see he actually gave it, made him to hold a ball. And then he has this blurry stadium view. All these things were included in the prompt. If you can recall from my first prompt, I did not actually include all those things. So in case you're running out of ideas on how to properly type in the details that you want for your picture, you can just generate this prompt just the same way I did. So if you come here, you can see the first prompt I gave, the example I used to generate the actual prompt. You can see generate a 3D male cartoon character holding a ball. He should be standing in front of a stadium. So this is still okay and good to go. But then if you can see from the improved prompt, you can see that it says he should be facing the camera with a confidence expression. You can see he gave him an expression on his face, wearing a detailed football jersey with visible textures and logos. So you see all those things are on the picture there. So you can see she's holding a football under his arms. You can see, yeah, there's it. And then the background should show a blurred view of a football stadium to suggest depth and atmosphere. So as you can see, like this is very, very cool. So use realistic lighting to highlight the character's features, jersey details, and facial expression. Yeah, so there you go. This is very cool, and you can use your picture to do this, and you don't necessarily need to like stand in the same pose. Even if it's a selfie that you snap, you can just upload your selfie and then explain what you want it to do in the character, explain the kind of background you want, explain anything you want with this prompt here, and then it's going to generate something that looks like you in a 3D form, just like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, ensure you like this video and share it with anybody who might need it. Ensure you subscribe to my channel because I will be posting a video on how you can animate 3D characters like this and even 2D characters like the first one, like this one we did. So I'll show you how you can actually animate this character and make them talk. You can put in your voice, you can type in a text and select a voice. I'll show you exactly how to do that. So ensure you subscribe to my channel and wait for that video to be coming up soon. See you in the next one.